Good morning to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Nowadays the climate is too cool. Be safe, my dears. Okay, are you all safe? Are you obeying your parents' words? Now okay. Now we are going to start the lesson unit 3. Okay. What is this? What is the topic? Before that I would like to share some points with you. Okay, what is that? We are all human beings. Okay, now what is the difference between the animals and human beings? Animals also living. We are also living. Okay, animals also living. We are also living. But what is the difference between they are also eating? We are also eating. Okay, they are also searching food. We are also searching food. We are in different way we are searching. They are different. They are searching food in different way. Okay, that's okay. But we are all living together. We are all living together. How we are living together? Family. We are living together. Family. We have relations. Okay, we have relations. Family. Our neighbors. We all love together. Okay, we all live together. We love each other. We love each other. Okay, if you fell down, immediately what I will do? Oh my dear, be careful. I will say, take care. Likewise, I am advising you, why do I advise you? Because I have love on you. Okay, I like you. I show my caring. Likewise, everyone shows, even if you take your parents, means they are showing too much of caring on you. Okay. Are you able to feel that? Are you able to feel that? You are able to feel your parents' love, Okay. You are able to feel your parents' love. Yes. You feel safe, You feel you feel so safe when you are with your parents. Yes or no? If you go to your relative house, will you be happy? Sometimes you will be happy. But sometimes you will expect your parents' presence, My mom is missing. My dad is missing. You are missing your parents, So you understood your parents' caring. So you are able to feel that. You are able to feel that. In this lesson also, we are going to learn. You are going to know your feelings. You are going to know your feelings. Okay, what feelings we have? Can you see the feelings? Can you see the feelings? No. Can you touch the feelings? No. Only we can feel. See here, now the sunlight, it heats. The heat comes. We are able to feel, oh, it's too hot. I am unable to accept that. You are telling. But can you show this is the heart? Likewise, can you show? No. We can feel. Only we can feel. Can you show? This is only my mother's care. This is only my father's caring. Likewise, can you show? No. You can't show. Okay. You can't show likewise. These and all we can only feel. These and all we can only feel. For example, if I pinch you means you will feel the pain. You will feel the pain. Immediately when I pinch you, how will you feel? You will get anger, isn't it? How dare you are feeling? You will get irritation and you will get angry, Okay, that is also one of the feeling. Then you are getting pain, Oh, you are still, you are showing your reaction. Okay, this is the feeling. This is only feeling. Now we are going to discuss about our feelings. Likewise, only animals also they are showing, but we are unable to see. Okay, only we can see their anger alone. Because if one dog is there, you throw the stone on it. You throw the Will it be smiling? No. Immediately it will show its anger, Like this it will show, So it is showing the angry. It is snoring to you means the dog is snoring to you. Immediately what will you do? You will be frightened. You will be scared. Okay. The dog chases you means will you be happy? Hey, very good. Come dog, we can go. Like this will you say? No. You will be scared. You will run away. Yes or no? But we should not go likewise. But you will feel the scary. You will be scared. You will be scared. You will be scared. In your home, no one is there. You will be scared, You will expect someone's companion, Okay. So likewise, the caring, feeling happy. Okay. If you are going to your grandpa's house, your grandpa gives some gift or something. Okay, whatever he is fulfilling your expectation, what will you do? You will be so happy. Yes, I like my grandpa very much, you will say. You will be happy. So happy. Okay, another time you are going to your grandpa's house, your grandpa has gone out. Okay, that time what will you feel? Oh, sad. My grandpa is not here. When my grandpa will come, you will ask, you will be sad. You will be sad. So likewise, we have some feelings. Okay, you have one new shirt with you. You have one new shirt with you. Yeah, when your mother gives you, it is too nice. You will be so happy. Nice, mom. Thank you, mom. I love you, mom. Likewise, you will say. Okay, unexpectedly, your mother ironed the shirt. Okay, your mother ironed the shirt. It is torn. Okay, it is burnt. The cloth is burnt. So the dress is spoiled. Then what will you feel? Mom, why did you tear my dress? I need the same dress. You will be crying, You will be crying as well as you will be getting angry. You will be shouting. So likewise, we are showing our expression. So we are showing our expression now. These are only our feelings. So about the feelings only we are going to learn in this lesson. Before learning this, they have given some book exercise in your book. Okay, for recall, singular, plural, Okay, singular, only one chalk piece. Okay, 2 I have chalk pieces. Yes, we have to add. Can you remember? So that is given. Then add in your from KG you are learning use of a and the articles. A should be used before the consonant letter and should be used before the vowel letter, but both should be used before the singular noun. Okay, both should be used before the singular noun. That can you remember? From that also they have given the book exercise. Okay, let us fill the book exercise now. Okay, dears, take your book, page number 105. Take it. Unit 3. Know your feelings. KNOW. Know. Your. 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 Feelings. 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 Know your feelings. Okay. Here one girl is sitting. She is talking with a goat. What is she asking? D-O, do you. Y-O-U. Do you like? L-I-K-E, like this. T-H-I-S, this. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Okay. Do you like this flower? It is asking. Okay. Who is asking? This girl is asking to the goat. For that the goat is answering, no. N-O, no. I like that one. Which one? This one. not this one. Near to us means we have to say this. Which is far away, that is that. Okay. Now let us recall. Tick. Tick, we have to take the correct word. Okay. CORRECT, correct word for the picture. Here two pictures are given. The action words are given here. What does the picture express? What does the picture express? See here. Jump. 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 SIT. Sit. What does the picture express? Whether it sits or jumping. Very good. Jump. Which one? The first one. JUMP. Jump. This is one of the action. Okay. Now what do? We are writing. That is one of the action. What I am doing? I am teaching. That is one of the action. Okay. Come to the second picture. What does the picture express? You look at the picture. Hop. 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 Hop also it means jump. Hop also it means jump only. It is also one of the jumpings. Okay. Sit. 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 Here what? Which action is expressed by this? First action or second action? Very good. Second action. The picture. The boy is sitting. So sit. So put tick here. Very good. Did you all put it? Very good. Okay, come to Roman number 2. The second question. Make. M-A-K-E. Make. One. O-N-E. One. Make one into many. One into many. I told you. Only one means singular. S-I-N-G-U-L-A-R. Singular. Many. More than many means it means plural. P-L-U-R-A-L. Plural. So singular into plural. Here only one cap. So one cap we have written. C-A-P, cap. Come to the next one. Two caps. Two caps or two cap. Which is correct? Very good. Caps. We have to add yes here. So how to write? See here. C-A-P. Yes. Caps. Okay. Very good. Next third one. Fill a or an. I told you no, a and an. Those are articles. Articles. A-R-T-I-C-L-E-S. Articles. They should be used before the singular noun. A should be used before the consonant letter and should be used before the vowel letter. Okay, when they are in singular form. Okay, now let us fill this. T-H-I-S, this. Is-I-S-S. This is dash bun. B-U-N, bun. Only one bun. Here what letter? What is the first letter? Whether it is consonant or vowel letter? Very good. Consonant letter. Vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters only vowel letters. Here B is given. So this is consonant letter. So what should be used here? A or an. Very good. A. Here we have to use A. Okay. Come to the next one. This. T-H-I-S. This. Is. I-S-S. This is dash kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Okay. K-I-T-E. Kite. Kite. Here see the first letter of kite. What letter it is? K. Okay. Whether it is consonant or vowel letter? Yes. Consonant letter. So what article should be used here? A or an? A. Very good. So fill A here. Okay. Come to the next one. This is dash axe. cut the tree, you know? Axe. Okay. Axe. What is the first letter of axe? A. Is it a consonant or vowel? I told you know A, E, I, O, U vowel letters. So A is a vowel letter. So when the word begins with vowel letter, we have to use an. Okay. So can we fill with an? Very good. Okay. A, N, an. Okay, my dears. Now take page number 106. Okay. Look and say. Now I explained you our feelings, you know. Here we are going to in your book they have given some feelings. The name of the feelings. Shall we learn what they are? Okay. Look at the first picture. What is happening here? There is one balloon shop. One father buys balloon for his son. Another one boy also standing. Here the two friends they have already balloons. If you have balloon means how will you feel? Will you be crying? No, you will be happy. You will be so happy. Say spelling of happy. This is also one of the feelings. Happy. Happy. Everyone you want to be happy always. Yes or no? On your birthday you will be happy. On festivals, during festivals you will be happy. During the functions you will be happy. Yes or no? So happy. Whenever you will be happy, whenever you will feel happy, you will be so happy. Okay. Whenever your expectations are fulfilled, you will be happy. Come to the next one. See here. He is just back side one boy is coming. Front side one boy is standing. Just like that he is throwing the banana peel into the dustbin, but it is falling on another one boy. Will he be happy? No, he will get angry. You see his face. He is so angry. Okay, A-N-G-R-Y, angry. Okay, come to the next one. See here, when you are so tired, you will feel, or else if you are not feeling well, you are unable to be properly. At that time, what will you do? You will be sleepy. Sometimes in the class also, sometimes after having the lunch, you will feel sleepy. The another word of sleepy is drowsy. Okay, D-R-O-W-S-Y, drowsy. That is also meaning same sleepy. Okay, S-L-E-E-P-Y, sleepy. Okay, next. See here one beggar is begging. Here he is giving. For what purpose the beggar, what purpose they are begging? They want to have some food. They want to have some money to get the food. Because of their hungry. When your stomach is empty, when you lost your energy, you will feel something to eat. You will feel something to eat. That is only hungry. Okay. Something you want to eat means hungry. Mom, I am so hungry. I need dosa or idli, whatever. You will ask, that is only hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. Okay, come to the next one. See here, even though he had played well, he has scattered the things also here, but he is sitting with his ball. Why? Because he was tired. He was tired means what? He lost his energy. No energy. So he was tired. That is also one of the feelings. T-I-R-E-D, tired. Okay. Now you have run for some times. So after that, when you reach your home, your mother is asking one help, bring some water or bring that object. Likewise, they are asking means you will be keep on sitting. So then what? Why? Because of your tiredness. That is only tired. Next, see here. Here he has work. He has opened his notebook. He has taken his pencils, eraser. All he has taken, but he is sleeping. He is in the sleeping position. What it is? This is lazy. Okay, lazy means not interest to do any work. Not interest to do any work. For example, Sunday you can take it. The remaining days we have to go to school, we have to do our work. Likewise, you will do regularly. But when you are in Sunday, on Sunday what will you do? You won't wake up. You will wake up. Okay, you won't wake up at all. Lazy. Mom, today is Sunday. Okay, afterwards I will come. Likewise, you will say that is only lazy. Unable to do or not interested to anything. L-A-Z-Y, lazy. Okay, come to the next page. Here, whatever we have, what are the feelings we have discussed? Happy, angry, sleepy, hungry, tired, lazy. Come to page number 107. See here, if you walked for some time or if you run for some time, immediately after completing the PT period, what will you feel? Miss water. Miss water because your throat is too dried. Your throat is too dried, so you would like to have some water. So for that, what feeling it is? That is thirsty. If you want to have some water means that is the name of the feeling is thirsty. If you want to have some food means that is name of the feeling is hungry. Are you able to understand the difference? Here water, you need waters, that is called thirsty. Here you need food, that is called hungry. Okay. See here, I told you now your favorite shirt, your mother has ironed, when she ironed it burnt. What will you do? You will be so shocked. Oh, what happened? Shocked. S-H-O-C-K-E-D, shocked. I was shocked. When I saw you, I was shocked. Likewise, you will say no. The surprise moment or unexpected moment happened means you will be shocked. Then come to the next one. Here I told. Here one dog, it's snoring at him. So for that what will you feel? You will be scared. You will be frightened. You will be fear. No. You will be feeling fear. No. That is only called scared. Okay. S-C-A-R-E-D. Scared. Next. See here. Someone here on your birthday, many they will give gifts. So someone they are giving gift to you means you will be surprised. Okay, surprise. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D. Surprised. Next, when you are doing something your lovable, your favorite thing, it is broken means you will be so sad. Okay, your mom didn't give noodles. What you asked, she did not give means you will feel so sad. S-A-D, sad. So we have discussed the feelings. What are the things? Happy, angry, sleepy, hungry, tired, lazy, thirsty, shocked, scared, sad, surprised. Okay. See here, dears. Let us sing. Here they have given one poem about our feelings. How do I feel? How do I feel? Here, what are the feelings we have? Those are given. Here about the feeling, they have given one poem. First, let us read and understand. Then we can sing. Okay? When, W-H-E-N, when I am, A-M, am. When I am happy. Ha ha ha. Okay. Next. So this is the expression of our happy. Next second feeling. When. 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 I am. am. SAD. Sad. When I am sad. Sad means what? You are too sad. You are unhappy. So when you are sad, what will you do? You will cry. I cry. Boo. Hoo. Hoo. That is only I cry. Boo. Hoo. Hoo. Okay. Happy. Sad. Happy. Sad. Happy. The opposite of happy is sad. Okay. Next. When. 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 I am. am. Angry. 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 You are angry. You are angry means I yell. You will cry with what? This is also one of the shouting. When you are angry, you will shout. When you are angry, you will shout no. With anger, you will shout no. That is only I yell. Oh, likewise you will shout no. That is only. Next. Anyway. ANY. Any way. WAY way. I feel. 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 Anyway I feel. I can show it. I can show it. So whatever you feel, you can express. Whatever you feel, you can express. I can. can. Show. SHOW. Show it to you. Do you ever feel the same way too? Do you ever feel the same way too? So, how I am feeling, likewise you will also feel no? Yes. Okay. Still more feelings we can discuss. When I am hungry. When I am hungry, I eat chew, chew, chew. When I am hungry, how you will eat? By chewing, you will chew, no? You will move your mouth, you will grind the food, you know? That is only chewing. Chew, chew, chew. Next, when I am thirsty. Thirsty means what I told? Thirsty means feel to drink water. Feel to drink water. Feel to drink water. So thirsty, feel to drink water. I drink, gulp, gulp, gulp. You will drink no when you are drinking, when you are swallowing the drink water, the sound will be raised, no? That is only. When I am tired. When I am tired means no energy. Tired, no energy. Okay. I sleep. You will sleep. Anyway, I feel, I can show it to you. Do you ever feel the same way too? So, how I am feeling, likewise you will also express your feeling. Okay. Okay, dears. Now you learned the poem, How Do I Feel? What is the name of the poem? How do I feel? So do you all feel? Do you have feel or not? Yes. I told no. What are the feelings? I explained our feelings, no. In the poem also what they have given. How we are feeling. Likewise only everyone will feel. Are you ready to sing the song? Okay. How do I feel? How do I feel? When I am happy, I laugh, ha ha ha. When I am sad, I cry, When I am angry, I yell, oh. Anyway I feel, I can show it to you. Do you ever feel the same way too? Anyway I feel, I can show it to you. Do you ever feel the same way too? When I am happy, I laugh. we have the feelings, you know. For them opposites we have no opposites and meanings I have written. Okay, first one, happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. What is the meaning of happy? Too happy. Joy. Okay. J-O-Y. Joy. Next, S-A-D. Sad. Not happy. S-A-D. Sad. Not happy. So how to say? Unhappy. U-N-H-A-P-P-Y. Unhappy. Thirsty. Thirsty means after PT period, after playing for some time, you will feel thirsty. Your throat is dried. So you will feel to drink water. That is the feel to drink water. Feel, F-E-E-L, feel, to, T-O, to, drink, D-R-I-N-K, drink water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Thirsty, feel to drink water. Scared, S-C-A-R-E-D, scared, fear, fear, okay. Scared means what? Fear, F-E-A-R, fear. Okay, these are all meanings. Now opposites. Opposites means the meaning is entirely changed. Okay, happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy, sad. Happy, sad. You know, no? You will learn in the same book also. You will happy, smiley. You are learning happy, smiley. Then sad, smiley. You have no. Okay, likewise opposite, happy, sad. Angry, calm. Okay, angry, calm. See, angry, calm. C-A-L-M, calm. Angry, calm. Next, scared. S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. Bold. B-O-L-D, bold. B-O-L-D, bold. Scared means you are afraid. Okay. Scared, you can say another word, afraid. Okay, you are afraid. But you are bold. Yes, I will face. Come, you will say no. That is bold. Lazy. Lazy means you are not interested to. No, I don't want. You will say no. That is lazy. That is lazy. Active. Yes, I will do. I am active. Okay, active. A-C-T-I-V-E, active. So likewise, from the poem they may ask you, when I am happy, I dash. Can you answer? Very good. Laugh. When I am crying, when I am dash, I yell. Very good. Angry. So likewise, the fill-ups also they may ask you. Okay. So we have learnt about our feelings. We have learned the feelings. Then poem also we have learned. The meanings and opposites are given. From this, you will be given a worksheet. So complete it and send it to your miss. Okay, if you have any doubts, clarify with us. Okay, thank you dears.